Are the buttons on your Ninja Sizzle not working? No response when you press start or change settings? This is usually caused by power issues, internal glitches, or debris around the controls. Let's go step by step to get your Sizzle working again. Step 1. Unplug and reboot the unit. Turn off and unplug the Sizzle for 60 seconds. This resets the control panel and clears temporary glitches. Step 2. Check the power cord and outlet. Make sure the plug is fully inserted and the outlet works. Test with another appliance to rule out a dead socket. Step 3. Clean around the control buttons. Grease or food buildup can block sensor contact. Wipe gently with a slightly damp microfiber cloth. Dry before plugging back in. Step 4. Try a full reset if nothing works. Unplug the unit for 5 minutes, then plug it back in. If buttons still don't respond, it could be a control board issue. Still unresponsive? Time to contact Ninja Support. Link is in the description. If this helped, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance guides. Got another issue? Drop it in the comments. We might feature it next. Thanks for watching, and happy grilling!